So for part 2 of this Archimedes series, I've taken the machine apart, got the PSU out, got the main board out, which is now sitting on the work top here. You can see general condition is actually fantastic. It's a wonderful wonderful condition machine, probably one of the best I've seen, if not the best. Battery damage, which there's the old battery just there, very minimal. Everything, all of the solder is actually quite shiny still around the chips. There's the CMOS chip, which is normally affected. The legs are shiny, it's looking very nice. The battery has a very small amount of fairy kind of reaction just on the edge. That's just a little bit crusty just on the side there. So yeah, we caught it just in time before it does any kind of real damage. So yeah, in this video we're going to replace the old battery with one of these small CR2032 coincell battery holders. This one is from Amigakit. Happens to be the same fitment. Goes into the board. Uses obviously the extra hole that we've got on the board, but fits nicely and is a good up-to-date solution for the leaking battery. So first things first is to take the old battery off the board. So we're going to desolder the old battery. So with any soldering job, to make life a bit easier, because these boards are quite old now, we're just going to apply a small amount of flux onto the solder joints, and then add a small amount of new solder just to get the joints working. There we go. That should be enough. Right, they're going to use the solder sucker to suck the old solder off the board. Doesn't look like it's quite come off there, so I'm just going to go back in again on that one. Okay, that looks like it's done it. So if the holes are clean, then it should just pull off, but I very much doubt that's going to happen. So yeah, if something's stuck like this, then the best way is just to hold it and then give it a little pull as you apply heat to the legs, because there will be a small amount of solder just still in the wire. Doesn't want to come out. Come. That's quite stuck in there. Yeah, it's there's a lot of solder on the top of the joint. You see, that's what's holding it in place. Let's just give it another go. See if I can get any more out. We're currently running at 380 degrees, so that should be plenty. It's just not coming very easily. There we go, that's got it. There we go. Right. So hopefully you can see now the holes I've got. Zoom in a small amount if we can. There we go. So you can see I've got that hole is still obviously got some solder in. That one's looking okay. That one has got something, yeah, some old solder still just there. So we'll give it a clean up now, and that should be that first part of the job done. So we'll just try and get the solder out of this this hole just here. There we go, that's good. Alright, so we use a small amount of IPA. Just give it a clean and see what we've got. Okay, it's looking very good. So the final step is just to clean the vise slightly with one of these brushes. This one isn't very good, it's too soft. But it will polish up the vise quite nicely without being too abrasive. There we go, they're quite nice. We'll just check on the other side of the board. There we go. So these are the holes that we're just working on down here. So we'll give the board a quick clean on the other side as well now. There we go, that's looking fantastic. Excellent. Alright, so after that's done, we just need to insert the coin holder into the holes. There we go. Okay. Now we can just solder the new coin holder back in place. So one of them doesn't quite look right, so we'll just apply a bit more heat, just to resolder, reflow. There we go, that's good. Right. Okay, let's see what you're seeing. There we go, that's the job done. So the new coincell battery is just placed in the holder. And that should not leak anymore compared to this very old coincell from the 80s. So there we go. That's the machine sort of future-proofed. On with the PSU repair at some other point. So yeah, thanks for watching this video, and I'll catch you soon. Bye bye.